Good morning, children. Welcome to video classes, Government Degree College, Bimgal. Sudarshan with you. Today, I want to learn an astrologist. This is a very important lesson to us. An astrologist is a very important lesson. This is written by R.K. Narayanan. This is written by whom? R.K. Narayanan, an astrologist. R.K. Narayanan, very well known Indian writer of English fiction, as a first generation Indian novelist who wrote in English. He catch the attention of the Western world through his friend, the British novelist Graham Greene. Narayanan was essentially a storyteller whose sensitive, well drawn portrayals of 20th century Indian life team with the fascinating characters. The simplicity of his language, his realistic settings, and enduring characters have made him one of the most well loved writers of India. His stories also resonate with humor and irony. R.K. Narayanan published more than 10 novels and many short stories, and his works have been translated into several Indian and European languages. His popular works include The Bachelor of Arts 1937 and Malgudi Days 1943, Writing for the Mahatma in 1955, The Guide 1955, and The Man Eater of Malgudi 1961. He wrote so many novels in that. Okay, and an astrologist is a wood-unit story with the Malgudi twist. Protagonist, Protagonist. What is the meaning of protagonist? Nayakudu, Vicharakudu in Telugu version. An astrologist is rendered vivid by the typical narrative skill of humor of R.K. Narayanan. At the heart of a story is a highly charged encounter that he has with the customer. The customer turns out to be in the figure from the astrologer's past, and the story ends with the unexpected twist. What is the R.K. Narayanan? Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Narayanan. R.K. means Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Narayanan. Is a famous writer on that, Indian writer. Okay, famous Indian writer is that. Okay. So, R.K. Narayan, he was born in 1906 and he was expired 2001. He is a very well-known Indian writer. He belongs to which country? Indian writer. He wrote so many fictions, short stories is called fiction. Short stories is called fictions. Okay. He wrote short stories, fictions, as a first generation Indian novelist who wrote in English. He catch an attention of the Western world through his friend. He is making a habitat to Western worlds also. The British novelist Graham Greene, his friend was there, and Graham Greene Narayan was essentially a story writer. Before he was a story writer, and whose sensitive, well-drawn portraits of 20th century. In the 20th century is the Indian life team with the fascinated characters. The simplicity of language. He wrote simplicity of language is realistic settings, and enduring characters have made him the most very well writers of India. See that He is also making a simplicity of the character, and he wrote the simple novels like that. His stories also resonate with the humor and irony. Yes, sometimes the humor writers also. He wrote the humor, HUMOU. Humor అంటే నవ్వడం, నవ్విపించేటువంటి, and irony R.K. Narayan published more than 10 novels. More than 10 novels he wrote that. And there's many short stories. He wrote many short stories, and his works have been translated into several Indian and European languages. Indian and European languages also he wrote. How many popular works he done with that? Number one is The Bachelor of Arts, 1937. The Bachelor of Arts, 1937. Malgudi Days, 1943. Waiting for the Mahatma, 1955. Wait for the Mahatma, 1955. The Guide, 1958. He wrote so many beautiful novels also there like that. The Man Eaters of Malgudi, 1961. 1961, right? This is a very important works in his future career. And Astrologers Days would unit story, but in the Malgudi twist, the protagonist and the astrologers. Do you know what is the meaning of astrologers? జాతకం చూసేవాడు జాతకం అని అంటున్నాం. వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై జాతకం? జాతకం అంటే ఏంది? మన గ్రహాలను బట్టి మరియు వాటిని బట్టి కూడా ఈ జాతకాలు చూసే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు కదా. వీళ్ళందరూ ఏదైతే ఉందో వారిని మరి ఆస్ట్రోలజర్స్ అంటున్నాం. ఓకే, ఆస్ట్రోలజర్స్ అంటున్నాం. సో ఇన్ ది స్టోరీ ఆస్ట్రోలజర్స్ డే, ఈ జాతకాలు చూసేవారు ఏవైతే ఉన్నారో, ద స్టోరీ ఇస్ మాల్గుడి ట్విస్ట్. ఇది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది అంటే మాల్గుడి ట్విస్ట్ నుంచి వచ్చింది. The humor of R.K. Narayanan at the heart of the story is highly charged encounter has with the customer. The customer turns out to be a figure from the astrologer's past of the story ends with the unexpected twist. See that he wrote like that stories in the previous year. So what is the astrology? What is the astrology? How you can find out the astrology for that? Punctually at midday, he opens his bag and spread out his professional equipment, which consists of a dozen cowrie shells, a square piece of cloth with the obscure mystic charts on it, a notebook and a bundle of pulmonary writing. His forehead was resplendent with the scratched ash and vermilion, and his vermilion, 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 and a bundle of palmaya writing. See that? Punctually is midday, he opened his bag. అంటే ఒకరోజు అతను ఒక బ్యాగ్ తెచ్చి కూర్చున్నాడు. ఆ బ్యాగ్లో చాలా కూడా ఐటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయట. ఈజ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్, ఆయనకు సంబంధించినటువంటి ఐటమ్స్, విచ్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ డజన్ కౌరీస్. కౌరీస్ అంటే తెలుసా? గవ్వలు అంటాం తెలుగులో, గవ్వలు, షెల్స్, గవ్వలు, కౌరీస్, అవి వేసి పాచికలు అంటారు, గవ్వలు అంటారు. ఎ స్క్వేర్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ క్లాత్, ఒక బట్ట, విత్ అబ్స్క్యూస్ మాస్టిక్స్ షార్ట్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ నోట్బుక్ అండ్ బండల్ ఆఫ్ పాల్మ్ రైటింగ్. అంటే అరచేతి చూసేటువంటి కొన్ని పాల్మైరా రైటింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అంటే జాతక చక్రాలు. మన చేతి చూసి జాతకాలు చెప్తారు కదా, అలాంటి జాతకాలు కూడా చాలా కూడా ఉంటాయి అని కూడా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అవన్నీ కూడా అతని బ్యాగ్లో ఉన్నాయట. హిజ్ ఫోర్హెడ్ వాజ్ రెస్ప్లెండెంట్ అండ్ స్కాడ్ యాష్ అండ్ వెర్మిలియన్స్. వెర్మిలియన్ అంటే, డూ యూ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద వెర్మిలియన్? When you are pray to God, just you take vermilion, VERMILION, vermilion అంటే కుంకుమ, vermilion, and his eyes sparkled with the sharp, abnormal gleam, which was really an outcome of a continual researching look for customers, but in which simple clients took to be a proponetic light and felt comforted. The power of ice was considerably enhanced by their position. Places there they were between the painted forehead and the dark whiskers which is steamed to down his cheeks. See that? Yeah, he's opened his bag and everything, and hmm? His bag was open and everything, and took vermilion. What is that vermilion అంటే కుంకుమ అంటున్నాం. కుంకుమను తీసుకున్నాడు. తన యొక్క పాచికలు మరియు గవ్వలు అంటాం, వాటిని కూడా తీసుకున్నాడు. బొట్టు పెట్టుకున్నాడు, పెద్దగా బొట్టు పెట్టుకున్నాడు. జాతకం చూడడానికి మరి మీ యొక్క అరచేతిలో కొన్ని రేఖలను బట్టి కూడా జాతకం చూడవచ్చు. అలాంటి వాటిని కూడా తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced by the position. Placed as they were between the painted forehead and the dark whiskers which is steamed down his cheeks, even half of Witt's eyes would be sparkling in such settings. Yes, he is looking like sparkle lights of ice. He sat under the box of spreading tamarind tree. He is sitting on the tamarind tree also. Which is flanked with a path running through the town hall park. It was a remarkable place in many ways. Surging crowd was always moving up and down this narrow road morning till night. The road was very busy with the people. All people are going to on the way from that morning to till night. He chose that type of place. All are coming to watching. All are coming to watching. Yes, what he is doing. Where is he sitting? In the tamarind tree. He is sitting on the tamarind tree. The huge number of people going to that place. Many waves, surging crowds as always moving up and down to narrow and morning to till night. A variety of trades and occupations was represented all along its way. Medicine sellers of stolen hardware and junk magicians, and above all actioners of cheap cloth, who treated enough did an all day attract the whole town. See that? The way is going to all type of people like cloth sellers and magicians, hardware shop people, and thieves also. The variety occupations was represented along with the road. All kinds of professionals were going to buy that place. By that place. So he felt very happy. Why? Because more people are watching him. More people are watching him and asking him what is going on, what happened to you, and how you take this is astrology. He is thinking like that. All kinds of occupations people presented along its way, like medicine sellers and stolen hardware and junk magicians and all above actioners of cheap cloth, who created enough din all of the day attract with the whole town. Next to him, vicariousness came a vendor of groundnut who gave his ware of fancy name each day, calling it Bombay ice cream. One day, Bombay ice cream. One day, and on the next Delhi almond of the third Raja's delicacy, and so on and so forth of people flocked to him. A considerable portion of his of this crowd, the light before of the astrologers too. The astrologers transacted as business by the light of flare, which is crackled and smoked up above the groundnut chip nearby. Half of the announcement of the place was due to the fact that he did not have to the benefit of municipal lighting. The place was lit up by sharp lights. One or two are hissing gas lights. Some had naked flowers stuck on poles. Some were lit up by old cycle lamps, and one or two like astrologers managed without lights of their own. See that in the road there is a astrologist is sitting on the busy road. The place was lit by the sharp lights. There is a dark is came. The sunset is came already in the town, and the old cycle lamps and one or two lights of astrologers managed without lights of their own. It was bedilling crisis of light rays of moving shadows. See that they shooted astrologers very well for them reason of the had not of the least. See that. So another coming to him and he is asking and he telling also the correct way of that. Maybe depend on him. Just he is playing with all kinds of professionals and is showing the way of that moving the shadows and sitting there in this shooted astrologist very well. For the simple reason that he had not in the least intended to be astrologist when he was began life, and he knew no more of what was going to happen to the others. Then he knew what was going to happen to himself next minute. He was as much strangers to the stars as were his innocent customers. Okay. He's trying to say that is conveyed to all like a people, all likes peoples. Yet he has said things which pleased and astonished everyone. That was more and matters of matters of he said that things which is pleased to and astonished everyone. That was more matter of study, practice, and showed guessworks. All the same, it was in much as honest man's labor as So custom, a study practice of guesswork. He had liked his village without any previous, although thought of plan. If he had continued there, he would have to carry on the work of his forefathers, namely tilling the land, living, marrying. All are asking about that. May I get my married, sir, and may I get my work, sir? May I get what is my future in the career? It's is clarify all type of doubts. Is carrying all type of doubts. Okay, he had left his village without any. He had left his village without any previous thought of plan. He had continued there. He would have to carry on the work of his forefathers, namely tillings and land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield of ancestral's home. But that was not to be. He had to be leave home. Okay, without telling anyone, and he could not be rest until lift of the behind of a couple of 100 miles. 100 miles. Okay, couple of 100 miles. To villages to great deal. To villages to great deal as one of the oceans flowed between. He had working analysis of mankind's troubles, marriage, money, and the triangles of human ties. Long practice had sharpened his perceptions. Within 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong. He charged 3 paise for question. Never opened his mouth till the other had been spoken. Okay, spoken for at least 10 minutes, which is provided him enough stuff for a dozen answers and advices. When he told him the person before him gauging at the palm in the many waves to be you are not getting the results for 4 efforts. 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him, or he questions. Okay, is there any woman in your family may have to be distant relative who is not well disposed towards? Can you be otherwise with Saturn? Where is he? You have to be an impetuous, impetuous, impetuous nature and rough and existers. This endowed with him to their hearts immediately for the middleest of us loves to think that it has forbidding exteriors. He catching who not get married, who are not having a job, who are not having money. All kinds of professionals is catching that, and each question is taking only 3 paise. Minimum 10 questions he will ask 30 paise and each and every candidate for those days. Is clarifying. Maybe out of 10 questions, maybe also something. What is that? Also something correct. Out of 10 questions, maybe also correct 9 questions. It's very important. Okay. Is having like that. And 60 years like that. Okay. The nuts vendors blew out his flare and rose to go home. This was a signal for the astrologers to bundle up too, since he left him in darkness except for little shaft of green light, which is strayed in a form of somewhere and touched the ground before him. He picked up his cowrie shells and paraphernalia. I was putting them back into the bag when the green shaft of light was blotted out. He looked up and saw a man standing before him. He sensed a possible client and said, "You look is a careworn. It will do you good to sit down for a while and chat with me." The other grumbled. Some reply vaguely. The astrologer pressed his innovation, whereupon the other thrust his palm under his nose, saying, "You call yourself an astrologist." The astrologer felt challenged and said, titling the other's palm towards to the green shaft of light, "Yours is the nature." "Oh, stop," that the other said. "Tell me something worthwhile." Maybe the public were asking so many questions to him, an astrologist, but he is giving kinds of nature of what is that? Kinds nature of answers he will give that like that. Our friend is felt picked. "I charged only of 3 paise per question, and what do you get out to be good enough for your money?" Yes, if you don't have money to are not earning that, maybe I will give the plan for that earning the money, and who are not to get the marriage, I will tell you and I will see you when she will get the married. So all kinds of questions is answering that. At this the other withdraws his arm, took out an anna and flung it out him, saying, "I have some questions to ask. If I prove you are bluffing, you must return that anna to me in the interest. If you find my answers satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? No problem for that. Otherwise, no problem." "Oh, will you give me 8 annas?" He is asking like that. "Will you give me 8 annas? 8 paise?" He is asking you. "But all right, provide that you will give me the twice as much of your wrong," said to the strangers. This fact accepted after the little further arguments. Sometimes his argument with customers, kinds of professionals, and they give the salvation of some questions. Yes, they are satisfied with these questions. They will give the money. They will pay the money for him, an astrologist man. All right, provided you give me the twice such much if you are wrong, he said. Strangers accepted after the little further argument. The astrologer sent up prayers to heaven as the other. It is a cheerer. It is a cheerer. Cheerer అంటే దిస్ పొగమంచు. పాజ్, పిఏయుఎస్, పాజ్ అంటే విరమం ఇన్ తెలుగు వర్షన్. The astrologers catch a glimpse of his face by the match light. There was a paused a cars hooted on the road. Jutka, Jutka. Drivers swore. తిట్టుకొనడం swore SWR swore అంటే తిట్టుకొనడము చుట్టూ తిరగడం. At their horses and the babbles of crowd agitated the semi-darkness of the park. The other sat down, sucking his cheroot, pumping out. Sad there is ruthlessly the astrologers felt very uncomfortable. Here, take your money. Anna will be back. I am not used to such challenges. It is late for me today. He made representations or preparations to be bundled up with the other held the rest of and said, you can't give our out of it now. You dragged me in while I was passing. The astrologers wavered in this grip and his voice shook and became faint. Leave me today, I will be speak to do tomorrow. He's saying like that. Speak to me tomorrow. He's speaking like that. The other thrust his palm his face and said, Challenge me in while I was passing. Astrologers shivered in his grip, and his voice shook and became a faint. Leave me today, I will speak to you tomorrow. Okay, the other thrust his palm, his face, and face is said. Yes, he's always saying that. You speak to me today, I will explain to you tomorrow. He said like that answers. In this, that challenges is the challenging. Go on. Astrologers proceeded with this thought by drying up. It will not be let. It would be not let you to go till you disgorge all your coins. The astrologers mutters few incantations. Otherwise, it will not be opened by my mouth. He's saying like that. And you may to do and agree with that what you like. After a good deal of hanging, to others agreed. The astrologer said, you are let off or dead. Am I right? Tell me more. He's saying like that. Tell me more. He said that. Okay, this is a story. He's saying like that. A knife has passed through you once, said astrologers. Good fellow. He bared his chest to show the scar. What else? What you want? What else? He's asking. And then you were pushed into well nearby the field. You were left for dead. See that sometimes he's fighting with the customers also. He doesn't know how to deal with the customers, kinds of professionals, but he deal with the kinds of professionals. Sometimes he's fighting with them. And I should be, and then you were pushed into the well. Maybe if pushed into the well nearby the field, you will be left off dead. He's thinking maybe he's dead. I should be have been dead. Is someone passed by had not be changed to peep into the well of explained that. Okay, explained. The other overwhelmed by enthusiasm, interest. Enthusiasm means, what is meaning with that? interest. When shall I get him? When shall I get him? He asked, clenching his first client. In the next word answers Astrologist. He died 4 months ago in the far off town. Just he is making a like a story. The man was already dead with the accident. Dead with the accident. And when I'm going to there, I called the man and he came to dead from the live. He said like that. It's not impossible for that, but he's playing with like that customers. Okay, he's answered. Okay, will you never see a more from him? The other groaned of hearing it. The astrologist proceeded. Guru Nayak, you know my name? The other said, taken back. Yes, I know all of things. Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to be say. Your village is 2 days journey due north of his town. Take the next train of be gone. I see once again, great danger to your life if you go from home. See that. If you want to come to from the home, it's very dangerous to us. He took out as a pinch of sacred ash. Sacred ash. And held it to him. Rub it your own forehead and go home. Never traveled south on to be hundreds. The boy was initiated with him and is carrying him, but the man was not carrying him. Okay, this is the astrologist man said. Why should I ask? I leave home again. The other reflectively, I was then took for him and do choke of his life. I met him before. Yes, I saw him before. He said like that. Yes, I saw him before. I met him before. He said like that. He shook his head of regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as deserved. Yeah, said the astrologist. He was crushed under the lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. See that. This is a credible story, he is saying like that. When the accident met with the lorry, he died. That time he was died. But now he came from death. Is it possible from that like that? No, it's not possible. But the astrologer is saying like that. Maybe I saw him before. He is my friend. He is my friend. He was died in the previous year, but he came from the death. He said like that. It's not possible that story, but he's saying like that. This is a very interesting and human story like that. The place was disastered by the time of astrologist picked up his articles and put them into his bag. The green shaft was also gone, leaving the place in the darkness of silence. The strangers had gone off into the night. After giving the astrologist handful of coins. It was nearly midnight when his strangers reached home. His wife was waiting for him at the door and demanded an explanation. He flung the coins at her and said, "Count them." One man gave all that. 12 and of annas, she said, counted. She was overjoyed. See that. I can buy some jaggery and coconut tomorrow. Right. The child has been asking for sweets for so many days now. He will prepare some nice stuff for her. All are happy with that earning today. Maybe he was earned today 12 pennies, not 12 paisas. The swine has cheated me. He promised me 2 rupee, said this astrologist. She looked up at him. You look worried. What is wrong? Nothing. What is wrong with you? Nothing. After dinner, sitting on the pile, he told her, do you know a great load gone from me today? I thought I had been blood of man on my bands all these years. That was the reason when I was away from home, settled here and married you, is alive. She gasped. You tried to kill. Yeah, yes. In our village, when I was a silly youngster, we drank, gambled, and quarreled badly. Okay, badly. Day. Why you think of it now? Time me be sleep, he said. Are you winning as a sketched himself on the you? He's saying like that. Okay. The story was finished. We can discuss with that cowrie shells. Shell on small snails is called cowrie shells. Palm rating on palm leaves. Cosmo dablia type of flowers. Ocypheronosus niceness. That quality of being compensively and offensively loud. Dully, D-A-L-L-Y. Dully means to linger, hover. Shed, intelligent. Paraffins, caravan. Bluff, to lie or cheat. Bluff, don't say bluff.